guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make gel nails. I already made a video about how to make fake nails with only cotton. I'm going to show you guys how to make gel, like a gel version of it. So it looks like you have gel nails. And first of all, thank you so much for all the nice and sweet comments I got from you guys on my nail video, like how to make fake nails. So I already made one nail. It's not my best. I did it kind of quickly. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys what you need right now. So you need glue. And I don't know if every glue works, but I do think it does work with every glue. But this is just glue. Like if you mix it with water, it will be kind of slimy. That kind of glue is perfect for this. Now you need something to mix with, a plate or anything you're gonna make it on, and the color you want to make it. And yeah, just take a marker. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna give it a color with a marker. I do it with pink, and yeah, so these kind of markers works the best, but you can also just use normal like these. It doesn't really matter, but like I prefer these better. So if you do have, then I would recommend to use these kind of stuff. So now once we have everything, now let's get started. Okay, so I took my plate, and I know it's really dirty. I'm sorry, because like I've used it many times before this. Take it anyways. So first you're gonna take your marker. I'm gonna use this side. You're going to take your marker and you're gonna go and put as much ink as you can, and as you guys can see, oh, and make sure it's plastic, and make sure to use something like that is like allowed to be dirty. So make sure you get a lot of ink. Okay, so that is enough. Now we're gonna take the glue. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. You don't really need a lot, but it depends on you, like on how much you want. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, but you also need something to like put on your nail. Okay, so now you're gonna take your stick or something, and you're gonna go ahead and mix this together until the glue is your color, like the marker. So you guys can see the glue has the color of my marker, and my marker is pink. So the glue is pink. Now I prefer to let this kind of sit for about 1 or 2 minutes. I prefer actually 2. So let this sit for about 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is how it looks like, and that is why we need like this kind of glue, that when you mix it with water, it's kind of like slime. So that kind of glue is really, really good for this, because when we let this sit for about 2 or 1 minute, then you guys can see, wait, focus. You guys can see how kind of slimy and jelly it looks, and that's what we want. So make sure that you have this kind of glue. Okay, so now it's really easy. Just take it. And if you need more color, then make sure to put the color next to it and just make it again. Okay, so now we have this, and make sure you kind of have it as like a drop. Okay, now you're gonna start from your cuticles, I think. Push it there. And work your way upwards. Make sure just to apply it. It's really hard to explain this. Oh no, I'm so sorry. You couldn't see it, but wait. It's really hard to explain this, but make sure to just start from like your cuticle section and to work your way up. And it's really good if it's thick, so make sure to take more. Don't really spread it out, because you have to make sure it stays like thick. So this is what it looks like. And now we're gonna make some more, and I'll be right back. And now we're gonna do the same thing, so just take it. Okay, so we have a drop, and now we're gonna go and put this on the cuticle area, and you know, you're gonna do the same thing, just work your way up like this. Let it dry. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And yeah, so don't mind this. I have this on both like fingers, but that's just me. So this is how it looks like. I love it, and it kind of looks like gel, but the only thing you have to do right now is just wait until it's finally dry, and then you're done. Okay guys, so this is the final result. And yeah, it kind of looks like gel. I just like it. Don't take this serious, like for real, but like it kind of works. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the bell and subscribe button. And thank you guys so much for all the support and sweet comments. I'll see you guys in my next video, hopefully. Bye!